Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a wig install and review. This is from Ossilee hair. So I'm just showing you guys what came in the package: wig, cap, lashes. You know, girl, I got me 30 inches bust down, baby. So I'm just going to show, it is kind of true to 30 inches in length. The wig was a little on the thin side, but that's okay because we're gonna make it work. So I'm just showing you guys the hairline. It says that it's pre-plucked. I did order this off of Aliexpress, so here I am trying it on to show you guys what it looks like. It's giving 30, but it is kind of thin. So I had a bundle of 28 inches for my True Glory hair, so I decided to just sew that in just to give my wig a little bit more fullness, as you guys can see right here. Baby, when I tell you that hairline that I plucked was giving scalp realness. Yes, and I toned it with my mousse, and this is by the Bomb collection. This is in sweet caramel. Girl, listen, look, sis, scalp. So I just got my straight backs, and I'm going to put my wig cap on. I prefer to use a black wig cap versus a skin tone. It just camouflages a whole lot easier. And I'm going to use so I'm going to show you guys right here. This is after I washed it, how full it looks. Now it's giving now. So I'm going to clean off my skin with my Sea Breeze. Baby, this never fails me. I want to make sure we have no product on my skin. And I'm going to go in with the Erica J's Hold Me Down. This is a watermelon collection. This is the Skin Guard, and I'm going to go in on warm on my blow dryer. This is going to protect from my skin to the glue to the lace. So this is what we're looking like so far. This is a 13x4 lace unit, and here is the glue. I usually apply 3 layers of it. And take your time when it comes down to this, okay? Now, this unit I ordered off of Aliexpress. It ended up being around about $200, so you cannot beat that. It was definitely an Aliexpress find. The only drawback that I would say is the lace. It is a little thick, but baby, we're gonna make it work. Come on, inches, baby, okay? So now I've cut the lace off. And the texture is straight, but baby, look at that curl, honey. Yes, ma'am. This is my first time trying Ossilee hair, and so far I will say I like it. So I'm just going to show you guys how I continue to style it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions, leave it down below. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. And until next time, bye guys.